Hotlitz exhaust system, which is basically a flamethrower kit for off-road and race cars only. Tap into a 12-volt power supply somewhere up in the engine bay. We run wires all the way to the back of the exhaust system to 2 spark plugs. When you hit button on the inside, it ignites the leftover fuel in the system, sending out a 4-foot flame.
Exhaust didn't quite melt the snowman, just more.
Yeah, oh fuck.
Let's see it ignite some gasoline. We got Justin with the fire extinguisher.
Safety first, always.
You got the fire extinguisher?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, you'll hit it.